Welcome to DataPencil.
Hello everyone, welcome back to our 50 days SQL practice challenge. Today it's our day 21 and congratulations to all those who reached till day 21. You guys are creamy layer and hats off to all of you. Okay, let's begin with our day 21 where we will see a few more queries. But before entering there, let me quickly introduce to those who are new to this channel. If you want to join this challenge or you want to join our SQL Plus AI course, please subscribe this official channel as well as follow our WhatsApp channel to get notifications about the registration opening dates. Alright, so let's quickly open our VS Code, and here I have already created day 21 file and entered in our database, which is 50 days SQL challenge, correct? So let's quickly move towards our first query, and this query is asking the rank, okay, rank of employees by salary, by their salary. So how to provide rank to employees by their salary? Guys, there are two functions, two window functions. First one is rank and second one is dense rank. So let's quickly have a bit understanding about these two functions. So if we talk about rank, what happens? Suppose we have employee whose ID is 101 and salary is something this, okay. Next employee 102, salary is suppose this one. Next employee 103, salary is again the same salary. Then 104, salary is 40,000. All right. Now, if we talk about the dense rank, okay, if we talk about the dense rank, let me write here dense rank, and here it's normal rank, okay. So what happened when we have to give the dense rank to these employees based on their salary? What we will do, we will write here, this is 40,000, correct? The highest one. So the rank here will be 1, okay. Here rank will be 2. And this is again same salary, okay. So rank will again 2. Now, the last one, the least salary, which is 10,000. So here dense rank we provide will be 3. Okay. Now come to the rank part. If there is a provision to provide rank only, not dense rank. So how can we provide rank? Here again, the highest one will get first rank. Then after that, it will get second rank. Then this will again get second rank. Now, the last one, here we will write 4, not 3, okay. So basically in rank what happens, it skips the missing rank, okay. It will skip the missing rank. And on other side, the dense rank will not skip any number. 1, 2, 2, doesn't matter it's repeated or not, then it will be 3. I hope it's clear, okay. So basically rank will skip the missing number and dense rank will not miss any number, okay. Now, come to our code, and first of all we have to select our required columns. So columns are employee ID, what else, salary, and the third column will be rank, okay. The third column will be rank. Now we cannot write simple rank here like this in such an easy way, right? How to originate this rank column? So for that we have to apply here window function. Now the window function is rank, okay. Now we cannot apply any window function on a normal table, common table, no. We firstly have to create a particular view, okay. We have to create a particular view of the table and then we will apply this rank on that table. Like here salaries are written in ascending order. So you can see that I have provided first at the bottom. But when we write the code here, we firstly convert this ascending one to the descending one so that the rank one will appear at the top, okay. So here we will write apply this rank window function over this view. We are opening a window and over this view we are going to apply this rank function. Over which view? So let's write here where table is arranged in descending manner, okay, according to their salary, where table salary is arranged in descending manner, okay. This is it. This is the simple view we are creating here. Now give this column a name. So I already written, let me write it again. So as rank, okay. So now we have 3 columns, employee ID, salary and the rank. Next step is simple. From which table we are taking all these data? So from a clean salaries, this is it. Okay, fine. Let me run this. Okay, as well as let's convert it as salary rank, because rank is a keyword. Okay, now let's run it. Okay, here you can see that we have our ranks based on the salary. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, total 498 results we got. So employees are now showing their rank as well, right? Now it's very easy, guys, right? Now come to our second query, and here department wise rank we have to provide. Department wise ranking, it means what? How to give the ranking based on the department. So here we have to rank employees inside each department. Okay, we have to rank employee inside each department. Correct? How to do it? First of all, we have to create a group of department, means group by department. Okay, then after that we will give the ranking within the group, within that particular department's group. Okay, how to do it? Let's quickly see. So let's write the columns that we need in our result window. It is employee ID. Now, as you know that the department is also included here, salary is also included here, so we need two tables. That's why I've written e.employee ID, because two tables will be needed. E.employee ID, comma, E.department ID. Comma, S.salary. Salary will take from the salary column. Now the fourth column will be based on rank. Okay, and this time we will take dense rank. So now let's write dense rank, apply the dense rank. And as we know, we don't apply Windows function on normal table. So let's see the view over which we want to apply this rank, whether table should be arranged in ascending manner, descending manner, or grouping should be done inside this. Then we want to apply dense rank or what? Okay, so for that we have to write over this view we want to apply dense rank. Now view will be what? So the view which is partitioned by department ID. Okay, these things you will get definitely by practice. The more you practice, the more it's easy for you to recognize the concept and then write the code. Your hands will automatically move. Okay, fine. So where the view is partitioned by department ID, as well as the salary is arranged in descending manner. So salary descending. Correct? Only then we can provide the rank, when salary is arranged in descending manner, like we did it in this earlier query. Now let's give this rank, this dense rank part a name, because it is a name of column. So let's provide it a name. So the name will be department rank, because here we are giving department wise rank. Easy. Now simply write from which table we are going to take this data. So from clean employees table, defining it with E, as well as from the clean salaries table, defining it with S. Okay, and join it on the basis where employees table employee ID is equal to salaries table employee ID. Done. Okay, now let's run it. So here you have your dense rank as well. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. As you can see that this is about the department where ID is 1. Okay, now from here department ID 2 started. So you can see the rank started from the 1 again. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now department ID 3 started from here and rank started from the 1 again. Okay, so this is the beauty of Windows functions. Now come to our third query. And in this query, we have to find the top performers. Now here we have to give the rank based on the performance, means based on the rating. So firstly we have to calculate the average rating here. Okay, and then after that we will provide the rank. Okay, now how to calculate average rating? As we already did in earlier queries, the previous D queries, for the average rating we will use a formula, rating 2022 plus rating 2023 plus rating 2024. Okay, put it in a parenthesis and then divide it with the 3. So this formula we are going to use. Here I have written R only, you have to write the proper rating, okay, because column name is rating underscore 2023. After providing this column, okay, after providing this column, we have to apply the rank over this view. Now, let's solve it. Let's solve this query as well. So, first of all, the columns that we need to select in the result window, for those columns are employee ID as well as this average rating column. So, here let's write average rating. Now, how we will get this average rating? So, for that we are going to use the formula, which is rating 2022 plus rating 2023 plus rating 2024, okay, and let's divide it with the 3. Correct? Everything seems okay? Yes. Now, the fourth column is to give the rank based on this average rating. So, here we will apply rank function, and let's write dense rank. Again, we are using dense rank over which view? So, over the view where table is arranged in, so arranged in, okay, descending manner of these average ratings. So, here let's copy this part. Order by, and this, okay, and this is done. And here let's write descending. Correct? Okay, now give this column a name. So, as performance rank. Correct? From which table? So, from cleaned attendance, it is an attendance, no, clean performance table. Okay, this is it, guys. So, what we did? We provided the dense rank over this view where descending, where average rating is arranged in descending manner. Now, let's run it and see we are on right track or not. Okay, so here you can see that this is the average rating column, and then it is the rank based on the performance. So, 5, 5, 5, they all got C, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1 rank, okay. Then these 4.66667, they got the second rank. I hope it's clear, okay. Now, let's come to our fourth query, and this will be done by you. I'm not going to solve it. So, salary ranking, where we have to find top 3 employees. Now, how can you find top 3 employees? So, basically, the things will be same, the codes will be same, like here in this earlier queries. The only thing that we have to apply a filter where rank is lesser or equal to 3. Okay, this is it. So, just do it on your own and complete all 4 queries. After that, submit it via submission form. And hats off to all of you who reached till day 21. Superb, guys. So, continue like this, stay consistent, and see you tomorrow with our day 22. Till then, please take care and keep practicing. Bye-bye.